Kasi hindi. Ito gani. Okay. I'm going to the school now, guys. Bye. Naway! Tawa ka. Yan ang baby ko. Not your baby. No. Yan ang baby ko. No! I hate you! Wow. Mukhang baka. Bagay, simula nga. Tama mo, hindi. Low eyes! It's me! Beautiful! Hindi ma-zoom. Sinong dugyot?
Si Trisha Galigina na dula man iya isagali.
Hi, anong ini mo niya?
Ay, ginabara ko sa bako ng pasirox mo.
Hi, so nagpasirox mo siya.
Oh.
Ay, giniliwat mo tayo mga perma.
Perma man. Ano tanong perma?
Eh, di bang blue? Buang hindi mo mamani mo best sumugit kang kasakitin mo chan. Hay nako nga manula ka sumugit. Hi guys, we're going to eat somewhere.
Yes.
Somewhere.
We're hungry.
We're hungry and we need foods to eat.
Do you know batchoy?
Yes,
We're going
bok choy is a Filipino food
Yes.
that we love to eat every rainy days.
Yes, because it's hot.
Yeah.
Hot soup. Hot soup. Yes, that's right. It's a hot, very tasty and delicioso.
Yeah, delicioso ba? Delicioso. And ano na pansit mo tawag?
Yeah.
And it has pansit. Just like noodles. Yeah. Yeah, that's
It's like ramen.
yeah.
It's like ramen.
That's bok choy. You can search it on Google if you want to see.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you're curious.
But I will show you later, guys, what's bok choy.
Yes.
Sabi mo hindi na tayo mag-aano.
Ikaw naman.
Ikaw naman.
Mag-aano.
Ikaw naman.
Sabay na ko.
Hello. Hi everyone. So today we're going to dance.
Alam ako si Iya.
Okay, so today let's try to speak in English. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna eat. Hi guys. So we're gonna eat bok choy. Yeah, bok choy. Yeah. You know guys, it's so delicious. Delicious. Bok choy. Where's the bok choy? Now we're here in what's the name of this bok choy? Yeah, what bok choy is this? We're finding bok choy. We're craving bok choy right now. Oh! Vlogger. Vlogger babe. So let's hear at Borat. So I'm so tired to walk. Why is it closed? Where are you guys? Why are you not cooking bok choy right now? We're craving bok choy right now. Please give us bok choy.
There's no batchoy.
What should we do now?
Batchoy right now, guys.
We're having a challenge that we should speak in English, and if we're not, then we have a punishment, truth or dare. Yeah?
Yeah. What she said.
What she said. Guys, do you know this? Please give me more of this. I love this. Ang batchoy. There is no batchoy. We're saving batchoy. There's nothing batchoy here in Capiz. Kasalanan to ni Bato. Kasalanan to lahat ni Bato, guys. Inaw. Kung hindi ka ba galit, mukha kang idiot. Space. Te, wag ka dyan. Ano ba yan? Bed space. Kinanglan nyo ng ng kasama matulog. Hotel. I don't know what. Piste na tura na. They're closed because we're planning to buy. We're planning to eat there. Yeah. Yeah. What you call sinadya in English? They just. Wow! Oh my God! Wala.
Umbrella. Oh my God.
Anton. Where's Anton? Look, guys. Here's the cherry blossom of the Philippines. Yeah.
Yeah, bougainvillea. No,
What?
cherry blossom.
Ano tayong ingay mo? Gago ko. Ano ka ba rin ka ron? Guys, what do you call samahan in English? Join us to walk
Yes.
away from you.
Walk away from people who doesn't deserve us.
Hey, what you doing to my bag?
Let's go. Tara, tabok. Mama, tabok na kita. Tayo naman tabok.
Tabok, ano, tara?
Tabok, ano, tara?
Kambali. Sabi ni Shiny. Kambali ni Shiny kung ginpuli ko sa bal. Hey, can you I join you? Feminine envision standing like this. Alam mo yan? Okay. Salamat. Magkaka-boyfriend ako na may kotse. Yes, may kotse. Hindi na kami maglalakad ng ganito, guys. Hindi na kami magpapagod. Mga gantong kahirap. Gusto namin ng boyfriend. Gusto ko ng boyfriend mga ganito. Yung pagod na ako maglakad. Magkaka-boyfriend ako in what days? Mga 20 days. Yeah, 20 days. Magkaka-boyfriend ako. My God! Pagod na ako. What kind of face is that?
Shiny, pagkunto. Napapagod ka na, diba?
We always have a vision when we standing like this. Yes. Huh? Tayo na pagod na lahat eh. Gusto ko na guys ang boyfriend na may kotse para hindi na kami napapagod na mga best friend ko na maglakad-lakad. I want a man who has a car. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm so tired to walk over and over and over again every fucking day. Diretso yun hindi malak. I'm so tired.
Saan na to?
Guys, I want someone who has a car. Ako na magdadala sa kanila sa snow. Please, Daddy. Daddy, look at me, Daddy.
Daddy.
Si Daddy. Lord, may regla ako ngayon. Gusto ko ng cookies and cream. Bakit wala pa sila? Gusto ko yung lalaking bibilhan ako ng cookies and cream. Shhh! I'm manifesting something.
Sa itong libo na doon lang.
I stalk you on internet. Ako ba yung masabog niyo? Yung iya naman ako. Sabog. Agay nahulog ang buwisit yung kibot niya.
Sa balay niyo.
Kanto ka mo to sa highway. Ito yung kid niya. Wala patutunguhan niya. Ganda.
Salamat.
We're hungry, guys. We need help. We also need money to buy food. They are crying because they're hungry, guys. And we need food. So please, give us money. It's a joke. Don't take it seriously, guys.